Welcome to the channel. So what we did to this car, first of all, we changed the engine. So I don't have the footage of the all the process that we changed it because the footage was lost. But the only thing I can show you what was wrong with the old engine. So the old engine, the bores were worn out. You can see right there. The piston rings were seized up on here, maybe from the consumptions of the oil, and of course the main problem that the engine seized was from the crankshaft on the con rods that it got stuck. So we needed to change the whole block, the whole crankshaft, and of course the new pistons with the also con rods. So let's see how it starts. Опа! The engine really running rough and a lot of lights, like the piercing failure. The engine bonnet is really like opened like this. New technology. It's running rough, bad, like shaking all the time. Let's try to do diagnostic on this car to see what's the problem in it. Okay. Crankshaft position relation to intake cams. So that's why it starts really bad. I think so. I hope so, that because of the sensor it starts really bad. So we will try to change the crankshaft sensor, and I hope we don't have to look at the timing chain. So first of all, we will try to change the crankshaft sensor. Crankshaft sensor is also the one sensor. It's always in the back. It's like counting how many rotations the crankshaft makes and then the correlation with the camshaft sensors. So we'll try to change it, and I think it's gonna fix our rough idling problem. I'm hoping that we don't have to like tear everything down, because here is the chains and I don't really want to tear it down. So okay, first of all, let's disconnect the battery. In bad shape, so everything is loose. Here it is, the crankshaft sensor. We can look at this part. So I really hope so that it's bad and not the whole timing of the engine. So it really doesn't change like difficult. So let's try to remove it and change it. Maybe it's gonna be good. Let's inspect the wiring, so it's everything alright. So here we have a new sensor. It's Bosch. So let's try to change it. First of all, let's try to compare it with the old one. Change is really simple and it's not really expensive. Well, it looks good, but who knows? Maybe it's bad. Also Bosch, made in Germany. Out with the old one in with a new one. And let's try to start the car and see if the rough idling goes away. First of all, let's delete all the fault codes. Then okay, so there's only 2 fault codes. Let's try to start it. It still starts a little bit rough. Fuel pressure quantity. Maybe. Okay, so. Jesus. Not the sensor that was a problem. With the timing. So we tried to change the crankshaft sensor, but it didn't work out, so let's try to check the timing marks of the time machine. Let's start the work. So first of all, let's take out this part and this plastic guide, and then I can try to take out the covers of the engine. Just don't break the glass, just don't break the glass. Yes, maybe let's try to take this plastic guide and then we will take that. Okay, so let's try to take this aluminium subframe to just try to get some more space to take out the covers. Done. But to take it, it's pretty easy to take it out. Okay, so I need to take out the ventilator, take out these air intakes, go near the crankshaft timing. So we check the timing marks. There's one timing mark here. It's with a special tool. Another one is there for the crankshaft, and for the head another one. And the timing marks are okay. So best guess, there was in that last engine there was a lot of metal shavings. So maybe we will gonna try to clean this camshaft adjuster, because there's a lot of metal shavings in here. Then we will try to reassemble it, and maybe it's all right, because the timing is okay. A lot of metal shavings. So, okay, clean the Ramos solenoids that I assembled covers, and also I want to change the camshaft sensors because they're pretty cheap. It's only $20 each, so I just want to change it and we will see how it works. So as we try to reassemble it, we saw that here is a leakage. You don't see it right now, but in this part the coolant is leaking, so we just ordered the new part and just gonna change it. And the previous owner just tried to go over it and just cut it out those hoses without the quick couplings, without just these quick couplings. So we're gonna change these two hoses, and this part that will be like original. So everything is assembled, so let's try to start the car and see how it works. Finally, the car is working perfect. So much work, but it works. Put more gas. Again. So thank you for watching. Press like and subscribe if you like this kind of video. And in the next video, we're gonna try to fix the interior of this car.